This is an acrylic washing machine drum. Display props. It is made of high transparency acrylic, simple in design, and full of technology. It has a holographic fan on the front. Through dynamic images, intuitive, the internal structure and working principle, making the core performance clear. The surface is printed with function icons and buttons. The layout is clear, presenting the product's operation logic and technical highlights. Inside, it also embeds a real washing machine drum component, which truly reproduce the details, highlighting durability and care. It is suitable for exhibitions, stores, and new product launches, helping customers quickly understand product value and enhance the attractiveness and